Good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2019 Biology Past Question 16. The following are renewable natural resources except A. Air, B. Coal, C. Plants, D. Soil, and E. Water. Now, what are renewable natural resources? Now, renewable natural resources are those resources. They are those resources that cannot be used up over time. Cannot be used up over time. Now, these natural resources can be recycled. They can be recycled. So, examples include the soil or land, the atmosphere or the air, forests that includes plants and animals, water, and wildlife. So all these are natural but renewable natural resources because they can be recycled. They can't be used up. Option A, which is air, is a renewable resources. B, plant. C, plant is a renewable resources. D, soil is also renewable, and E, water is renewable. But option B, which is coal, is non-renewable. It's a non-renewable energy resource because once used up, it cannot be recycled. Cannot be recycled. So therefore, it is non-renewable. And this is the answer to this question. Thank you, and be sure you subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.